Alright everybody, it's the One Man Drywall Army. I'm back today's video. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of some of these quirky little areas we got going on here. How to get rid of a seam that's visible. Unfortunately, the drywall's been installed on wood, and the nature of wood, that it gets curvy over time. Or at least it can. So, with that being said, I'll be right back. Alright everybody, so I'm back. Let's jump right into it. The way that you deal with these funny little seams that you can just see right through the texture, you're going to have to do one of two things to correct the problem. You're either going to take away or you're going to add. So on this particular situation, I'm going to go ahead and add, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. But you have to assess which direction, all that. There's a lot that comes into play. You know, if you have to build up to the right, like here, like you don't here, you may not want to add more because you got this frame. You don't want the build up over the casing and all that good stuff. So you're gonna have to determine which direction you're gonna float. Yeah, this stuff is a little bit little thick. It's already freezing up on me, and it's only been cooking like not long, like not even 2 minutes. So I just mixed it up about 2 minutes ago, and this stuff is already getting hard. So anyways, you can see it looks like it's smearing, it's doing all that ugly stuff. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, it looks better already. Alright. Got a spot right here. Yeah, it looks better already. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to clean the pan out, throw a second coat on it. And so the next step that you guys are going to need to take is basically throw a second coat on it, clean it up a little bit more. The first coat looks really good already. So it's probably going to be good to spray once I get the second coat on, and sponge sand out the edges, make it look really nice, okay? Just make sure you get enough mud in there to compensate the valleys. Okay. Okay, there you have it. Second coat, looks good. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that. But that line that was there is now gone. That's kind of what you need to do all the way around. Just get rid of any visible lines that's going to show through. And all right, so it's very important that you sponge out the edges that way nothing shows through. Okay. All right, so now we're going to spray it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. Show you what kind of a texture match that is. Guys, so there you have it. I'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless you.